neglects, divorce or separation, the loss of a parent, a child, or the loss of someone that you really love, and we can lay them down at the feet of Jesus. The internal injuries from being left out, ignored, or bullied, we can lay those things also at the feet of Jesus, because God wants all your hurts. He has healing for each one of us. He has a divine way through human suffering. Hindi naman niya rin pinapromise, no, na wala ng problema. But God promises never to leave us amidst those situations. He changes wounds into scars. He can change all those wounds.